If you want to rank top on Google search results, then this video is for you. My name is Tanmay Torte, and in this video, I'm going to tell you top 5 SEO tools for you to rank on Google. So what is SEO? Search engine optimization is a way to generate traffic on your website. If used properly, you can get immense reach. And if not used properly, it can dampen your reach immensely. And nobody wants that. And we won't let it happen to you. So stick throughout the video to know which SEO tool you should go for. Number 1 is Semrush. Semrush is best for your e-commerce business. It helps you manage your work, marketing team, and build a brand that people genuinely trust. The best thing about Semrush is they can be your all-in-one marketing tool, as it offers 40 plus tools and features. It boosts your workflow with better lead generation, better marketing campaign. They also help you with better keyword research, best backlink checker, and so on and so forth. If we talk about pricing as well, it starts from $199.95. This pack is best for the marketers, startups, and freelancer. In this pro pack only, you'll get access to 40 plus advanced tools. The second pack is Guru Pack, where you get all the pro features like 40 plus tools followed with historical data, content marketing platform with all the extended limits. This will definitely help you make quality content for the platform at just $299.95 per month. The third is the business plan. In this plan, you'll get all the features of Guru Plan along with the API access, Google Data Studio integration, and extended limits and the sharing options as well. This pack is definitely recommended if you're a big marketing agency, as the cost of this plan is $499.95 per month. But I must tell you, it is definitely worth it. Number 2 is Mangools. Mangools is the cost-effective tool as compared to the others. But that doesn't mean it's not the effective one. Mangools provide many features that others don't provide. The features like SERP checker. SERP checker allows you to see the first page results for the particular keyword. The best thing about this feature is you also get to see pages trust flow, Facebook share, and domain authority. It also helps you figure out which keyword you should actually go after. And that's exactly what you need. And if we talk about the pricing, it has 3 types of pricing: basic, premium, and agency. First one is basic. At $29.9 per month, this plan comes with some restriction as you only have limited attempts available for 24 hours a day. 10,000 backlinks rows per month. You can track 2,000 words daily. Other features that you get are keyword lockups, keyword suggestion, competitors keyword, SERP lockup, and site lockup as well. This is ideal plan for you if you have 1 or 2 sites. Number 2 is premium. At $39.9 per month, in this plan you get unlimited competitors keyword research with 3 simultaneous logins. Here the number of tries is much as compared to the basic plan. All the benefits of basic plans are included in this plan. This is ideal plan for small business. If you have team of 2 or 3 people who do SEO, then you should definitely consider this plan. And number 3 is agency. At $79.9 per month, this plan is meant for medium businesses or agency. 10 people can log in simultaneously using this tool if you have this plan. Apart from all the premium features that you will get with this plan, you'll also get 15,000 keywords daily. Number 3 is Moz Pro. Moz Pro is one of the most popular tools used by millions and millions of people. With this tool, you can strategically target keywords that can help you generate more and more leads. With Moz Pro, Keyword Explorer makes it complicated analysis easy by gathering all the metrics together. In this feature, you can make a list of keywords that will allow you to track and update regularly. Like this, you will save a lot of time and will be able to focus on your marketing activities. If you are someone who faces problems in optimizing content for SEO, then Moz Pro can be a real help to you. If we talk about the pricing of Moz Pro has 4 sets of pricing. Number 1 is standard, $99 per month. This is a basic plan offered by Moz Pro for individual. In this plan, you will get 3 campaigns, 300 keywords ranking with mobile ranking. On-demand crawls up to 55,000 backlinks. Number 2 is the medium plan. With $149 per month, this plan is meant for those who want to run 10 campaigns. Here you will get all the features from standard plan with increased limits. Apart from that, you also get unlimited branded reports and templates for the report. Number 3 is the large plan. With $249 per month, in this plan you will get all the benefits of medium plan with more limits. And the last is the premium plan. $599 per month. If you have a large business and looking for SEO that fits your needs, then you must buy this plan. Here you will get 50 campaigns to run along with 5 user seats. With this plan, you'll also have features offered in large plan, and the additional feature that you get here is speed crawl, which boosts your SEO enormously. If you are a big enterprise, shut your eyes down and buy this plan. Number 4 is Ahrefs or Ahrefs. The pronunciation is still debatable, but the tool is absolutely fascinating. And the best part is you don't have to be a SEO pro to use them.
It is mainly used for keyword ranking, SEO check and analyzing sites link profile. With Ahrefs, you can do keyword research not only for Google but also for YouTube and e-commerce website. Ahrefs is used by many small businesses because it has tools such as Site Explorer, Keyword Explorer, Site Audit, Rank Tracker, Content Explorer as well. Now if we talk about the pricing of Ahrefs, it has 4 types of plan: Light, Standard, Advanced and Agency. Number 1, Light. At $99 per month, if you are someone who has just started his or her online marketing, then this plan is ideal for you. This is a basic plan offered by Ahrefs for individuals and small business. In this plan, you get Site Audit, Rank Tracker, Site Explorer, Content Explorer, Keyword Explorer, integration and domain comparison as well. Number 2 is Standard plan. At $179 per month, this plan is ideal for experienced freelancer and SEO consultant. With this plan, you can work up to 10 projects. You also get all the features from Light plan with higher number of daily and monthly limits. Number 3 is Advanced plan. At $179 per month, it is an advanced version of Standard plan as you get more number of daily and monthly limits here. This plan suits best for medium-sized businesses. And number 4 is Agency plan. At $999 per month, in this plan, you will get all the features offered by Ahrefs with higher daily limits and monthly limits. This plan is meant for SEO agencies that work on multiple projects and take care of other SEO clients' need.
Number 5 is SE ranking. SE ranking claims themselves to be all-in-one SEO software made simple, as it is super easy to figure out the stuff on SE ranking. SE ranking helps small businesses, agency, entrepreneurs to achieve the online marketing goal that have been set by them.
In SE ranking, you can analyze competitors' sites, easily find the right keyword to rank your site higher in SERP. Backlink checkers helps you find backlinks that your competitors have acquired on other sites. This helps you in building powerful backlinks for your sites. It also helps you take full control of your social media communication. Here you also get scheduled publishing features and monitoring tools. With SE ranking, you can easily engage with your targeted audience at right time. If you talk about the pricing, it has 3 kinds of pricing: Optimum, Plus and Enterprise. Number 1, Optimum. At $39 per month for 250 words, with this plan, you can manage up to 10 websites. Benefit that you get here are website audit, backlink checker, keyword grouper, so on and so forth. Number 2 is Plus plan. At $79 per month for 1000 keywords, in this Plus plan, you manage unlimited website. Here you get all the additional features such as white label and lead generation. All the features offered in Optimum plan are provided in this plan with much more limits. And the last plan is Enterprise. At $151 per month for 2500 keywords, this plan is an ideal plan for large businesses and agencies. In this plan, you'll get additional features such as API, which is great for SEO.
Having best SEO tool is an absolutely backbone for online marketing. With getting more clicks, getting more leads and having a firm online presence, we absolutely recommend these 5 tools to you. The link of these 5 tools are in the description, so make sure you check out those. We genuinely hope it helps you establishing humongous presence online. Because we at Mavenwit, we turn dreams into reality. We build brands with integrity, innovation and creativity. So make sure you subscribe to the channel of Mavenwit because we'll keep bringing tips, tricks, tutorials and absolutely fascinating tools about marketing and brand building. Just like our upcoming video which will be about email automation and email marketing. Till then, this is Tanmay Thirte from Mavenwit signing off.